In front of me is POCO X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off fast charging. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll to tap on battery available here. Now tap on charging options and choose wired charging mode. To enable fast charging, tap on top speed in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, fast charging was successfully enabled. To disable it, just tap on standard in the same pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!